Chopping off exhaust today on this bad boy. No more mufflers. Jaguar. Like right there, I think that should do. I think that's it. Yeah, cool. We're gonna have a lot of fun because I don't have like a lot of room to go up and down. I mean, eventually here. I have inboard brakes, if you noticed. So if you see my differential, my rear brake disc and my calipers are right there. Don't ask me to help you with that. Yeah, fuck that. You gotta drop the whole suspension to your rear brake. Actual car jack stands. Glasses. Been there, done that. Don't want to go through that again. Everything's looking good here. Put the jack stand on there. Now time to chop off some mufflers. My bad, dude. Screw this. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Fuck. No, let's unplug it. Pull it. Sucking dick! Pull it. Oh, I'm sorry. And then throw that back over this way. Ah! That burned! Alright, hold on, guys.
Power to the pain.
You want to use this one instead, or what do you want to? No. No. I don't know. I gotta cut this evenly. Oh my god, that's hot! My eyes!
Hey, Pedro.
How you doing?
If you
do it from the other side?
No, well, if you cut it from there, can you even get the whole exhaust out? From here to there.
Oh yeah, I was cutting down here. I'm sorry. You're right, Eugene. You're definitely right about that.
Just like that.
Oh, shit. Wow. It's just hot.
You want me to get out? We get out.
Yeah, go ahead. My eyes. Wow. It got all of me.
Mayday, Captain.
Goodbye, exhaust. Hello, America. I'm not ready for how it's going to sound, truthfully. All right, we're good. Ready.
What? What?
Sounds like you're bored.
Rev it up a little, baby.
That is probably the worst sound I've ever heard.
It's like, it's so quiet. I don't get it. Yeah, are the cats still on?
Yeah. Sounds better.
Yeah, it does. I can hear it a little more now.
40 minutes later, we have chopped off the exhaust. Big thanks to Kino Garage. This guy right here, Eugene, and his beautiful Fox body, watching as we take a British car and make it trashy. That's all we can do. I do appreciate it, man. Sexy motherfucker, yeah. All right, let's do one more start up here. So we're leaving now, right? Let me just change my. Let me change my pants. Okay.
Sure, good, right? I look awfully masculine.
Masculine. Sounds better. Yeah. I'm ready to get in there.
Which one is this?
Yeah. Huh?
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, yeah.
Whose?
Let me help you put your stuff. All right, you can start recording now. Oh, so you got like real race car shit.
Wow. Do you hear that fuel pump?
Yeah. Serious shit. Oh my god, that makes my Jag look tame. God damn, good job, bro.
Yeah, man.
Good